can't believe you brought me along to just come and look at simple plants.
They're not just simple plants. I could be around plants all day.
Oh, come on, they're plants.
Maybe to you, but to me, they're life.
Life?
Yes, life. They're the ones that release oxygen.
And your point is?
My point is that without plants, we would have less oxygen to breathe. And there wouldn't be a habitat for birds to live in. Meaning we would all die. Stop being so ignorant about it.
It's just that you're so into it and you care so much about it.
Now imagine if we all cared. What a wonderful world we'd live in. I'll take 2 of these, huh? And 3 of these. Don't just stand there, come help me.
Why are we buying so many trees?
Do you know how many trees are cut down on a daily basis? What we're planting is nothing compared to those trees which are chopped down every day.
So you think you can actually restore the loss of vegetation by buying a couple of plants?
Well, no, but if we all planted just 1 tree in a year, that would be over 1 million trees planted just in 1 year. Now that would restore the loss of trees which are chopped down from our valuable forests. And also, it would be beneficial to the environment and the climate.
You know what? You're right. Come to think of it, we must do our part, even though it seems so small.
Exactly.
Hi there. Welcome to our new learning series in Geography for Grade 10 students from NAMCO.
In Program 5 today, we will discuss vegetation and climate in Namibia. Our learning objectives are that by the end of this video lesson, you should be able to identify the most important vegetation regions on the Namibian map and explain the factors that influence Namibia's climate.
Thanks for watching and enjoy the lesson with us.
What's the game is with it?
Hi guys.
Hey, what's up? What's up with the trees?
We're going to plant them.
We?
Yes, we.
Hey, whoa, wait. Is this some national, tree planting day or something?
You don't have to have a special day to plant trees. You can plant them anytime. Just don't stand there. Help us carry them to their holes.
Okay, all right.
Gosh, thank you so much, Ma. I feel like we're falling off.
So where are you gonna plant this thing?
Just walk.
To answer your question about why we're planting trees, Namibia's vegetation is determined by its rainfall, and the rainfall decreases as you move from northeast to west. Now, that will mean that you'll find the dense vegetation in the northeastern parts and the sparse vegetation along the west coast.
Yeah, we know that very little vegetation grows along the coastal plain.
Yeah, and you know what? The vegetation in the Namib Desert, has adapted to extremely hot and dry conditions.
Now, the well-known Vegetation plant grows in this condition. It has a very deep root system and it absorbs water through its leaves.
Oh.
Yeah, now you see, eastwards of the coastal plain is where you find the semi-desert, where there'll be things like shrubs, clumps of grass, and thorn bushes. And further east is where you find the camel thorn savanna, with more trees and longer grass.
You know what, like, if you look at the far east, right? Rather, the far northeast is where you find the tree savannas as well. This is where you get stuff like the rhodesian teak, you get the mangeti, you get the marula, and the palm trees as well.
I know in the south you either get the temperate savanna or the dwarf shrub savanna, where there's less trees and short grass. Now, the kokerboom, also known as the quiver tree, it is a famous tree in that area.
Oh.
Yes, and to the northwest lies the mopani savanna, where you find mopani trees and longer grass.
I know that climate is vital for these vegetation.
You are absolutely correct, Kasali. Namibia is a very large country, and there are various factors that can influence the climate. Factors such as altitude, latitude, different air pressure systems, and also the distance from the sea, not forgetting the cold Benguela current from the ocean.
What is latitude?
It is a distance north or south of the equator.
Yes, also remember that with every degree that you move from the equator, whether north or south, the temperature drops with 0.55 degrees Celsius.
I know Namibia is located 17 degrees to 29 degrees south of the equator, which means the north of the country is closer to the equator than the south. making the north warmer.
Yeah. Now, altitude also influences Namibia's climate.
Wait, they say altitude is the height above sea level. Is that correct?
Yes, Mount Kilimanjaro is 6,000 meters above sea level and is situated 3 degrees south of the equator.
Did you know that the bottom of the mountain is actually covered by a dense equatorial forest, whilst the top, or rather the peak, is covered completely by ice?
Yes, I know. The average temperature at the foot of the mountain is 24 degrees Celsius, and the average temperature at the peak of the mountain is minus 20 degrees Celsius.
Meaning, so as you climb higher, the temperature drops by approximately 1 degree Celsius.
And the central parts of Namibia are higher above sea level than the rest of the country, and therefore they experience cooler temperatures.
Another factor is air pressure systems, like low and high air pressures. Here, come take a look on my phone. A high air pressure system is a warm, dry, descending current which forms no clouds, and with this you have a clear sky and no rain. But with a low pressure system, you have warm air rising, which cools down as it gets higher, forming clouds and can cause rain.
Now you see, Namibia is dominated by two main pressure systems, which are the Kalahari high pressure system found in the east and the South Atlantic high pressure system found in the west. They both bring in dry descending air over the country, which causes clear skies with little or no rain.
Guys, I've heard that the distance from the sea will actually influence our climate.
Yes, Swakopmund is situated at the coast while Windhoek is inland, and the difference between temperatures is because land heats up faster than ocean.
Guys, you know coastal areas are cooler because of the cooling effect of the water, but inland places are warmer because the land heats up faster. Yeah.
Yes, in winter, the land loses heat quicker. Therefore, inland places become cooler, while the ocean takes longer to cool down. Therefore, coastal places become warmer.
The coast has got oceanic or maritime climate, while inland places have continental climate.
Wow, what is oceanic or maritime? And also, what is continental climate?
Oceanic or maritime climate means small range of temperature between summer and winter, while as continental climate means the large range of temperature between summer and winter.
Yes, the cold Benguela current is the last factor that plays a role on Namibia's climate.
South Africa has got two coastal towns, Port Nolloth on the west coast and Durban on the east coast. Although they're both on the coast and have more or less the same latitude, Durban has a significantly higher, warmer temperature of summer and winter compared to Port Nolloth.
But why is it like that?
This is due to the fact that the sea along the west coastline is actually influenced by the cold Benguela current.
Wow, okay.
The current cools down the temperature as it rests on the ocean, but on the east coast, the temperatures are higher because of the warm Mozambique current.
Now, Kasali, can you please search on your phone the cold Benguela current and show it to us?
I think so. Here, you can see a clear image that the cold water coming from the South Pole moving northwards along the Namibian coast, together with the cold water current, with 1, the latitude, 2, the altitude, and 3, air pressure systems, and the distance from the sea. It shows you how this affects the climate of the whole country. Yeah.
Oh, wow. This makes it so clear to understand the unique weather systems of our country. Yeah.
Wow, guys, this feels so cool now that I understand all this.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, let's finish planning.
Yeah, you can finish up. Yeah.
Viewers, let's summarize. The vegetation is determined by the rainfall that decreases in occurrence from northeast to southwest. The highest rainfall occurs in the Zambezi area, about 700 millimeters per year. And the lowest is in the Namib Desert, less than 50 millimeters per year. Very little vegetation occurs along the coast in the desert, but further to the east and northeast the vegetation becomes very lush with grass and trees. Vegetation in the south is mainly short grass and small shrubs. Namibia's climate is influenced by the following factors: latitude, altitude, pressure systems, proximity, closeness to the sea, and the cold Benguela current.
I hope you've enjoyed watching and learning with us today. I also hope that you plant a tree or two sometime this year to put oxygen-producing vegetation back in our climate system. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon. Goodbye.